Welcome, students. We're going to basically go beyond our introduction to Keras and look at what we can do to improve upon our models. So what I would like for you to do is open up your MNIST Keras intro notebook for last time, and then I want you to make a copy of it. So go to File. Let's try Save a Copy in Drive. And after you do that, what should we call this one? How about MNIST Keras? It's no longer an intro. Let's just call it regular Keras, okay? So what are we going to do with this one? Well, we can make a couple of modifications. The first one I actually want to do is we're going to change this up and use all the rows actually in a minute. But first, I want to go back to what we had from last time and show you one thing. Okay, it's kind of fun, by the way, how when you run the notebook each time you get a different image that you can look at. I like that. It's actually here. Okay, so let me put it like this. Deep learning models will often do better when these are scaled. Scale these with me. Okay, so pixels, I think they have values from like 256, so 0 to 255. And when you divide by 255, you scale those down. Okay, and that can lead to better models. So go ahead and make that one change. And then what I want you to do is just run whatever you have in your notebook from last time. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put all of the Keras stuff together. It's cool, by the way, how you can actually always see the number of parameters here when you print it out. You can actually hashtag that like this. You know, uncommenting it would be that. So you comment it out. Instead of deleting code, you often want to comment code out so that you can, well, you comment it and then you can comment it out later. Which one is which is tripping me up right now. So let's just call this compile, fit, and evaluate model. I just want to get these all in the same cell because this is one we're going to rerun a lot. Compile, fit, and evaluate model. And then, all right, so once you do that, go ahead and run it all. And again, the main change there, don't really need that, is just simply trading off the X and see if it makes a difference. Now, previously I erased what I had, but it wasn't, the test score wasn't very good. Let's just try this one. So I'm going to go to runtime, run all, be sure the code works. And we'll call this to start. It's got to get down here. You can see if you don't comment the model summary out, then it'll just start straight with the epics, which I think is nice because you can see, you know, the scores at the top. Okay. Some of the models, like XGBoost, it tends not to matter as much if you scale them. Some just do better with scaling. You can see, look at this. Look at this. You're getting accuracies of 1.0 pretty quickly in the epics. And look at that. We have our best score of 93% rounded. So that's really good for this. Next question is, can we do better? Okay, that's what we're going to focus on right now.